Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a beautiful body-off-frame rotisserie restored 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air hardtop. That's without the post here. It's got a modern LT1 Corvette motor in there, overdrive automatic, posi rear, air conditioned, disc brakes all around. It's got all the good stuff. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, study all the pictures. And that's where you'll find a price tag on every car we sell, along with a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoy the videos. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Click on that bell icon. That way you're getting a notification when a new one is posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I like the 53. I just like the curves. It's a handsome car. And before we started the video, I was saying, darn, here's another car. I'm going to start off by saying I really like this one. And it occurred to me, I'm the one who buys the cars. Maybe that's why I like every car I video. But anyway, the body was lifted off the frame. The whole chassis was clean, prepped, and painted. Up front, it's upgraded with a TCI Mustang 2 type independent suspension, tubular control arms, coil-over shocks, rack and pinion steering. The whole rear suspension's been replaced, new leaf springs, bushings, hardware, new shocks. Really nicely custom made, nicely installed dual exhaust system, all welded, stainless steel. I think it has Flowmaster mufflers. You'll hear it run at the end of the video. All new fuel system, all new brake system, disc at each wheel, e-brake assembly, that's all been replaced. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean, has a high torque starter, 4L60 overdrive automatic transmission, rebuilt drive shaft, a 342 posi rear end out of an S10 pickup truck. So I don't know if I forgot anything, but it's all new. It's power brakes too. The power brake booster is mounted under the car. Brake lines, everything's just done neatly. The floors have no rust. It was on a rotisserie. Bottom of the car is restored. They sprayed it with a light undercoat. Now the body is amazing. Actually, a gentleman that found the car for me, there's a friend of his, he's a body man by trade, and he even went on to tell me just how mint the body was. And now that I've seen it in person, he absolutely was not lying to me. So it is absolutely straight sheet metal. I mean, the fit and finish is amazing. There's not a ripple. It all fits square and flush. There's no issues, no wavy parts, nothing I'm glancing over here that needs to be talked about. It is all, every square inch of it is just smooth and not a wave, no damage. And right now we're talking about the body, but I'm looking at the paint too. I haven't found a flaw yet. All along the bottom is smooth. Now the top, it's kind of cool. I like it. I wouldn't have thought of that, but it's painted like a flat black against the sunset orange paint. Yeah, the body and paint, outstanding. Really, I have nothing to tell you about. Here's a nick the size of a pencil tip. That's the only thing I have found. Absolutely straight. Metallic is laid out evenly, smooth and glossy. Every piece of chrome has been re-chromed or replaced. Every piece of stainless has been straightened and polished. That makes a difference when they do everything, like the base around the wiper, all this trim, all new smoked glass. I'll roll up a couple windows. Hood ornaments re-chromed. All this stuff is either new or re-chromed. New lenses, the bumper, the grille, all that's beautiful. Headlight bezels. I think these are HID headlights. The moldings down the side, polished. The rockers are polished. I don't know if I mentioned, this only has 1,500 miles since it's been restored. And it's not tinted glass where, stick-on tint. It's actual smoked glass. It was all replaced. So every seal, every weather strip has been replaced. Fits nice, shuts real nice. They have that satin black finish in here too. 17-inch Cragar wheels, beautiful, sparkling wheels, have some performance tires on them. Tail lights, bumper, all the trim, all redone. LED tail lights in there too, and reverse lights. So there you have it. Let's open it up. The inside's just as impressive. All right, let's see what inside the trunk looks like, but catch a glimpse of that paint. See what I'm talking about. Absolutely fantastic. So under the trunk lid, looks like it's just as sharp as on top. Weather strip was all replaced. The entire trunk compartment's clean metal. It's painted the same color. Doesn't have the gloss shine, but it is the same color. Batteries located in the trunk here. It's in this box. And this box is full of goodies, the wiring diagram, all sorts of literature and shop manuals and miscellaneous extra belts. That'll all go with it. The rubber mat has some cracks in it. Look how clean the metal is underneath it, though. If I were keeping the car, I'd have this boxed and carpeted. I think that's such a nice touch. At least get a new mat on the floor, if nothing else. Door jambs are painted real nice, shiny. Door panel is pristine. All the handles, armrest, trim, beautiful. The whole dash is painted that satin black, just like the roof. It's got a really nice chrome instrument bezel here with nice matched set of gauges. Nicely installed vintage air controls. They're backlit. They light up white. You have a retro looking stereo right here. No glove box. This is a custom panel, I believe. The AC vents. The whole inside of the car is lined with the sound deadener. Got nice carpets, Bel Air mats, embroidered mats, custom pedals. You got a tilt column with a really nice custom steering wheel. Now the upholstery is Lebaron Bonney. That's a real premium remanufacture of upholstery. This is what a 53 Chevy upholstery would have looked like. We got Seatbelts front and back. Everything in back, the side panels, all the trim, everything looks really good. Headliner is mint, has the chrome bars because it's a Bel Air. The visors are redone. So really nice, nice interior. Real nice. Comfy, roomy, for adults, no problem. And look at that. Look at underneath the hood. Look at the detail. So that's a LT1 Corvette motor from the 90s. Of course, it's fuel injected. I think they're 300 or 330 horsepower. Just a nice, clean application. You have some nice finned valve covers and breathers and matching spark plug wire holders. There's some coated headers down there. Chrome AC unit, but look at all the stainless braided lines, the fuel lines, heater lines, AC lines. They're all stainless steel braided. It's got new horns. It's like a new, it's a Walker radiator, the big electric fan, chrome alternator. You got modern power steering. Stainless steel steering joints. Very nice, clean, tidy. So there you have it. And I'm thinking about this here for what we're asking for the car. This is a bargain. Body off frame rotisserie restoration. First of all, get into a shop. You're waiting a year or two, and you're going to spend at least $100 grand. This is nowhere near that, and you can have this car right away. Good looking car. Very well done throughout. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression. Talk to the salesman with your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.